Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. These days we are commemorate of the 32 years past away of Imam Khomeini Rahmatullah Alayhi, and during these days we have some program about him, for memorizing of him, especially for young generation to know who was Imam Khomeini and what he did about the Muslim people during their age. As you know, the Imam Khomeini is very famous around the world. Now, if you see any history book, you can find his name about what he did during his life, and he did so many things, especially for Muslim people, and not only Muslim people, but we can say about the humankind. He taught about the oppressed people, he taught about the Muslim people, he taught about what shall we do about them, and he broke the idols. Idols was between the people, and he broke all of that, and he learned to the people what is the liberty, and what is the justice, what is the meaning of these ideas about the valuable of the mankind. And after that, people learned so many things from him, and he was as a founder of the Islamic Revolution. He as a founder of the Islamic Republic of Iran, and he was the founder of the Islamic Republic of Iran, and as a leader of the Islamic Revolution. So during that days, now I think maybe around 32 years passed about Imam Khomeini. He passed away 32 years ago. So after that, we can find what was Iran before revolution and after revolution. Before revolution, Iran was as a colonialism of the US, and he did everything. America did everything in Iran without any decision from Iran government. But after that, after revolution, Iranian people learned so many things from Imam Khomeini and earned honorable things, honor, and they earned about the freedom and about the justice and resistance against the imperialism also. So during these years, not only Iranian nation, but also the other nations. As you know, during these times, in every country you can find the people who followed Imam Khomeini. Why? Because they believed his idea, his thinking about the mankind. And as you see, Imam Khomeini broke everything, every idols for the people. The people then they don't afraid from the US or the superpower, and Israel, especially Israel. During these days, as you see, the people did so many demonstrations against of the Israel, but before the revolution they didn't do it like this. So and the power of the US during these days, you can see it's broken. It has some track, so the people they don't care to the America as a superpower, because they learned from the Imam Khomeini lessons too many things. The Imam Khomeini lessons this is very important, especially for young generation. We afraid just only from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, just only from God, not either. When the people afraid just only from the God, so they can say, they can stand, they can resist against the Taghut, as in Quran mentioned about this. Quran mentioned about the Taghut. Taghut does not remain all the time. Like the Pharaoh, like this, during the Moses and the other prophets. The other prophets stand against the emperor, stand against the idols, stand against the kings. So Imam Khomeini followed them. And so for this reason, we should commemorate the Imam Khomeini every year, because it was very important for Muslim people and the non-Muslim people. And the other things I think is very important we can say about the religion. Is it religion only praying and fasting, or not? It's not enough. Imam Khomeini learned to us, he has learned to us, it's not enough. Religion is not just only praying and fasting, but every act of action is as a believing of religion. Fighting to the kingdom, it was as a religion, as a lesson of religion. It's not just only praying, but only if we did everything like this, after that we can say our actions from the early morning till night also, all our action is as a ibadah or as a praying. So Imam Khomeini learned that like this. He told us, if we have some fighting against the kingdom, and after that it is as a ibadah, it is as a praying. So the praying is as a general thing for everybody during his life. So we can see, if our intention is like this, all our action is as a ibadah, especially for against the superpower, and we help the oppressed people, is as a ibadah also. So I hope the lessons of Imam Khomeini remain so many times till Imam Zaman, inshallah, will be come, inshallah, as soon as very soon, inshallah. So during these times, between the Islamic revolution and between the Imam Zaman coming, also we should try more and more to help the coming of Imam Zaman, of trying to the helping to the oppressed people and resistance against the superpower, and especially fighting against Israel. Inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us, and we should believe the helping, if we have intention like this. So after that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala especially certainly he is helping us for this idea. Thank you so much. Please recite one Surah Fatiha, Surah Al-Hamd, and Surah Tin Martabe Tawheed for Imam Khomeini. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.